Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening settings and tapping display and brightness so you get directly to sleep controls. Once there, scan for auto lock and night shift. Those affect sleep timing and screen behavior. Make sure your iPad is not in guided access and that you know your passcode, because changing auto lock will apply immediately. Also check if low power mode is off, since it can override some timers. Now move to auto lock and prepare to choose the duration that matches your use. You tap auto lock and then pick the timer that fits your needs. For quick lock, choose 30 seconds or 1 minute. For longer tasks, choose 5 or 10 minutes, and choose never only when necessary. Once you select an option, iOS saves it instantly, so you'll feel the change when the screen dims after that interval. If you want greater control, pair this with attention-aware features or use guided access for apps that must stay awake. Make sure to exit settings to apply the selection. You finish by testing the new auto lock. Leave the iPad idle and confirm it sleeps after the chosen interval. If auto lock is grayed out, it's usually due to a managed profile, screen time restriction, or MDM. Check profiles in settings or screen time content and privacy settings and disable restrictive rules. If the change doesn't take effect, restart the device and recheck. And if problems persist, remove any temporary battery savers and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.